Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Royal Match game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can unlink your Facebook account from this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Royal Match game on your device, and once you are taken into the homepage, you can continue playing your preferred level. Now, if you have linked your Facebook profile in order to save your in-game progress on the cloud, but now you wish to unlink this account, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner from the homepage. Then you can tap on Save Your Progress. And now, in order to sign out your Facebook account, tap on the Sign Up button for the Facebook logo. You will be asked whether you are sure that you want to log out from your Facebook. Tap on the Yes button to confirm. And now you will be told that you have successfully been signed out from your Facebook. You can tap on Continue. And now inside the Save Your Progress page, you will once again see the Sign In with Facebook button. If you want to sign back in, you can come back to this page and tap on Sign In with Facebook to provide access from your Facebook once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to unlink your Facebook account on the Royal Match game. If you find this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.